Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dewi Nur'aeni Setyowati. I am from Aquaculture Study Program, University of Mataram. The title of my presentation is Effect of Calcium Carbonate Addition on the Growth and Feed Conversion Ratio of Gouramy Seed. Gouramy is a fish with high economic value, which is one of the main commodities of aquaculture in Indonesia. The problem faced is that these fish have a relatively slow growth rate. One of the efforts to increase productivity through optimization of the growth of gouramy is the addition of minerals in the form of calcium. The objective of this research is to determine the effect of calcium carbonate addition on the growth and feed conversion ratio of gouramy seed. This research was conducted from August to September 2019 for 6 weeks, taking place in the wet laboratory of the Aquaculture Study Program, Vocational Program, University of Mataram, Bima Regency. The method used was experimental methods consisting of 5 treatments and 3 replication, which be 1. The addition of 0 mg per liter calcium carbonate, P2. Addition of 150 mg per liter calcium carbonate, P3. Addition of 200 mg per liter calcium carbonate, P4. Addition of 250 mg per liter calcium carbonate, and P5. Addition of 300 mg per liter calcium carbonate. This is the step of our research. For the first time, preparation of maintenance media, and after that, fish cultivation in aquarium for 6 weeks. And every week, we measure the survival rate, the growth, the FCR, and the water quality. Survival rate is the percentage that fish can survive in the maintenance, and the growth we measure the weight of the fish, and the FCR or feed conversion ratio is the weight of feed divided by the weight gain or the weight of fish. The water quality that measured is dissolved oxygen, pH, and temperature. The survival rate, the growth, and the FCR we analysis with analysis of variance, and for the water quality is with descriptive analysis. This is the result of the survival rate. From the table, we can see that the result for all parameters is not significantly different based on analysis of variance. And this is the result of linear regression analysis for survival rates with the value of R quadrate was 0.5799. Based on summiring, the effect will be significant if the value of R quadrate approaching to 1. Liang et al. Showed the fact that calcium didn't give effect for fish survival rate. And this is the result of absolute weight growth. From the table and from linear regression analysis, we can see that the result was not significantly different. The absolute weight growth showed that calcium didn't give an effect for the growth based on analysis of variance and the linear regression analysis. Deficiency of calcium can give effect to the growth and bone mineralization, but the experiment of Galantarian et al. And Liang et al. Showed that the dietary calcium had no significant effect on the growth of fish. This is the result of feed conversion ratio. The value of FCR in the current cultivation are less than 1. It means that the fish can effectively use feed to, to, to the growth, and Fry et al. Give a fact that FCR for aquaculture species is lower than cattle and pig, with the value between 1.0 until 2.5. This is the result of water quality, include temperature, pH, and DO. The temperature in maintenance is still in the normal range because the value is 27.6 until 30.2. According to SNI, the optimal temperature for Gouramy is 25 until 30 Celsius. The pH value in the study shows an alkaline pH of 8.5 until 9. Calcium in the water will react with hydrogen so that the pH will increase. According to SNI, the optimal pH range for Gouramy maintenance is 6.5 until 8.5. The pH value during the study saw a rather high upper limit value of 9.0. The dissolved oxygen result is still normal for the fish to survive. The conclusion: the addition of calcium did not give significant effect for the growth, survival rate, and feed conversion ratio of Gouramy seed. With thanks to PNBP of Vocational Program Bima University of Mataram that supported this research. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.